Across the vast expanse of North America's grasslands, stretching from the Great Plains to the Rocky Mountains, a majestic creature has roamed for millennia, the American bison. These magnificent animals once numbered in the millions, dominating the landscape. These powerful herbivores, with their shaggy coats and imposing horns, are built to withstand the harshest of climates, from scorching summers to freezing winters. They are a symbol of the wild heart of the continent, embodying the spirit of freedom and the untamed wilderness. But bison are far more than just a striking image. They are ecological engineers, crucial to the health of their ecosystems. By grazing and trampling the ground, they create a mosaic of habitats that benefit countless other species, from insects to birds to larger mammals. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of bison, exploring their behaviors, social structures, and the challenges they face in the modern world. Uncovering the secrets of their remarkable lives, we will see how they adapt to the changing seasons and the diverse environments they inhabit, and the profound impact they have on their environment. Their presence helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem, promoting biodiversity and ecological health. From their complex digestive systems, which allow them to extract nutrients from tough prairie grasses, to their intricate grazing patterns that prevent overgrowth and encourage plant diversity, bison hold a unique place in the web of life. They interact with other wildlife, creating a dynamic and interconnected community. Their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and survival against the odds. They have endured through ice ages, human encroachment, and near extinction, and the delicate balance of nature. The birth of a bison calf is a testament to the ongoing cycle of life and the hope for the future. It is a story that deserves to be told, understood, and ultimately celebrated. The bison's journey is a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation and the need to protect our natural heritage for generations to come. The bison's ability to thrive on a diet of tough, fibrous grasses is a testament to the efficiency of their digestive system. Unlike humans and many other mammals, bison possess a four-chambered stomach, a marvel of evolutionary engineering. This complex system allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food, even in the harshest of conditions. The first chamber, the rumen, acts as a vast fermentation vat. Here, billions upon billions of microbes work tirelessly, breaking down the cellulose in plant matter. This process of microbial fermentation is key to unlocking the energy stored within the tough cell walls of grasses, making it available to the bison. The rumen of a bison is a bustling metropolis of microscopic life. It houses a diverse community of bacteria, protozoa, and fungi, all working in concert to digest the bison's food. This symbiotic relationship is crucial to the bison's survival. The microbes possess specialized enzymes that break down cellulose and other complex carbohydrates, which the bison cannot digest on their own. In return for their digestive services, the microbes receive a steady supply of food and a stable environment in which to thrive. The bison's digestive process is a marvel of efficiency. After the initial breakdown of plant matter in the rumen, partially digested food is regurgitated and re-chewed, a process known as rumination or chewing the cud. This further breaks down the plant fibers, increasing the surface area for microbial action. Once the food has been thoroughly processed in the rumen, it moves through the remaining chambers of the stomach, the reticulum, the omasum, and finally, the abomasum. Here, digestive enzymes secreted by the bison complete the breakdown of nutrients, allowing for their absorption into the bloodstream. Section 5. Shaping the landscape: bison as keystone species. The ecological significance of bison extends far beyond their role as grazers. These majestic creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of prairie ecosystems. As keystone species, their presence has a disproportionately large impact on the structure and diversity of prairie ecosystems. Their grazing helps to control plant populations, ensuring that no single species dominates the landscape. Their grazing patterns, wallowing behavior, and even their dung contribute to a complex web of life that supports a myriad of plant and animal species. Wallowing creates depressions that collect rainwater, providing habitats for amphibians and insects. The absence of bison can have cascading effects on the prairie, leading to a decline in plant diversity, altered fire regimes, and a reduction in habitat for other wildlife. Without bison, invasive plant species can take over, disrupting the natural balance. Their role as ecosystem engineers highlights the interconnectedness of nature, and the importance of preserving these magnificent creatures. By maintaining bison populations, we ensure the survival of countless other species that depend on the unique habitats they create. Section 6. A Picky Pallet, the art of selective grazing. Contrary to popular belief, bison are not indiscriminate eaters. They exhibit selective grazing habits, showing a preference for certain plant species over others. This selective grazing plays a crucial role in maintaining plant diversity within prairie ecosystems. By targeting dominant grasses, bison create space for other plant species to thrive, preventing any one species from outcompeting the others. This, in turn, supports a greater diversity of insects, birds, and other animals that rely on these plants for food and habitat. Section 7. Mosaics of growth, the impact of bison grazing patterns. The grazing patterns of bison create a mosaic of habitats across the prairie landscape. Their movements are influenced by factors such as water availability, terrain, and the presence of preferred food plants. This creates a patchwork of grazed and ungrazed areas, each supporting different plant communities, and consequently, different animal communities. Areas heavily grazed by bison see a flush of new growth, rich in nutrients. These areas attract insects and other herbivores, which in turn attract predators. Meanwhile, ungrazed patches provide cover and nesting sites for birds and small mammals. Section 8. Drawn to the flames, bison and the cycle of fire. Fire is a natural and essential part of healthy prairie ecosystems. Bison, with their keen sense of smell, are often drawn to recently burned areas. These areas offer fresh, nutritious growth as fire removes dead plant matter and releases nutrients back into the soil. The presence of bison on recently burned areas helps to control the growth of certain plant species, preventing them from becoming too dominant. This, in turn, helps to maintain the open structure of the prairie and reduces the risk of future, more intense fires. Section 9. Efficiency in action, adapting to hardship. The bison's digestive system and grazing habits are testaments to their remarkable adaptation to the challenging prairie environment. Their ability to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous grasses, combined with their mobility and resilience, has allowed them to thrive in a landscape characterized by extremes of temperature, periodic drought, and vast distances. Their hooves, specially adapted for traversing both soft and hard ground, allow them to cover long distances in search of food and water. Their thick coats provide insulation against the bitter cold of winter, while their social behavior offers protection from predators and the elements. Section 10. Ecological engineers. Bison's legacy on the land. The legacy of bison on the North American landscape is profound. As ecological engineers, their presence shapes the soil, vegetation, and water cycles of the prairie ecosystem. Their hooves aerate the soil, increasing water infiltration and promoting plant growth. Their dung, rich in nutrients, fertilizes the soil and provides food for a variety of insects and decomposers. Their wallowing behavior creates depressions that collect water, providing habitat for amphibians and other aquatic life. The intricate web of life on the prairie is intricately woven with the presence of these magnificent creatures. Section 11. A call to action, engaging with bison conservation. The story of the bison is one of resilience, a testament to their strength and adaptability in the face of adversity. But it is also a story of vulnerability, highlighting the delicate balance between survival and extinction. Once driven to the brink of extinction by overhunting and habitat loss, bison populations have rebounded thanks to dedicated conservation efforts by passionate individuals and organizations. However, their future remains uncertain as they continue to face threats from climate change, habitat fragmentation, and human encroachment. By understanding the vital role bison play in maintaining healthy prairie ecosystems, such as enriching the soil and promoting plant diversity, we can become better stewards of these magnificent creatures and the landscapes they inhabit. Researchers and conservationists work tirelessly to monitor bison health and behavior, ensuring their well-being. Subscribe to learn more about supporting bison conservation efforts and discover how you can make a difference in preserving their habitats and ensuring that these iconic animals continue to roam free for generations to come, symbolizing the wild spirit of the American plains. What are your thoughts on the intricate relationship between bison and their environment? How do you think we can better protect these majestic creatures? Share your questions and insights in the comments below. Your voice matters in the ongoing conversation about wildlife conservation. Let's continue the conversation and celebrate the wonders of the natural world together. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about preserving our planet's biodiversity.